Good day everyone. Today we will see how to create a dining table or office table with chairs as dynamic block. Okay, let's see. Table width, distance, table width 900, table length 900, distance between chair and table 100. Okay, type B, enter, block name DO table, select object, select pick point, block unit millimeters, open in block editor, tick. OK, parameter linear, repeat linear, select parameters, go properties, number of grips 1, distance 1, rename, length, distance 2, rename, width, select length parameter, properties, value set, distance type, list, distance value, click here, 900, add 1800, add 2700, add 3600, add 4500, add 5400, add 6300, add OK. Then go width parameter, select width parameter, go properties, value set, list, distance type, list, distance value 900, click here, add 1050, add 1200, add 1350, add OK, click OK. Then go action, stretch, select parameter, start point, click, stretch frame, select object, OK. Then go action, stretch, select width parameter, start point, stretch frame, select object, enter. OK, then go action, array, select parameter, length parameter, select object, select chair, enter, distance between column 900, enter. Then go action, more, select width parameter, start point, select object, select jar, enter, click more parameter, go properties, distance 0.5, enter. Okay, close block editor now, save changes. Okay, let's see. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.